It was all smiles on the first day of classes in Quebec, but now the province is reporting 46 schools have cases, and it could be more.
We need correct information, but we also need it as quickly as possible to move on it as quickly as possible, simply because, in this case, time is cases.
Dr. Matthew Outen is one of 150 doctors and scientists who signed a letter to the Quebec government, calling its back-to-school plan inadequate. In Quebec, students only have to wear masks in common areas, not while sitting in class.
The rest of Canada is going to be watching what's happening in Quebec very closely, and as I had mentioned before, I'm hoping they're going to watch us and learn what to do correctly, how they can emulate us, and not watching us as a cautionary tale.
In Alberta, 3 schools have already reported COVID. One Saskatchewan school is switching temporarily to online learning because a teacher tested positive. But Ontario's education minister says parents shouldn't worry about what's happening in other regions.
We have unique differentiators in this province that they do not. I wouldn't draw a parallel. Not all things are equal.
Those assurances aren't comforting to the teachers, who are worried about the risk to themselves and their families.
I've had to try to think of ways that I come home, I go straight to my room or straight to the bathroom, take a shower, and then come see my family. Like, I can't just go and say, hi, how are you?
It's a matter of fact, experts say, that some schools will have cases of COVID. The thing to watch is, does it spread?
I think it's going to be very hard to keep it out of the schools. But once it's introduced into the school, can these protocols prevent the disease from being transmitted from person to person? And obviously everyone's hoping that it can. It's just unclear at this point how robust these protocols are.
If individual cases become outbreaks in schools, that's when there's a problem. Jayla Bernstein, CBC News, Montreal.